Welcome back, everybody. You're welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be getting our garlic scapes. Now, I should have got these probably a few days ago, maybe a week ago, but you'll know when they're ready, when they start, well, these is curled plumb around, but when they start curling, you want to get them then. This is hardneck garlic. As far as I know, that's the only garlic that the scapes are on. I don't think it's on the soft neck. But we're going to get these today. I'm going to dry them, dehydrate them, and then turn them into garlic powder. It's a milder garlic powder, but it's really good.
You can also cook with these too and eat them, can't you?
Yeah, you can cook and eat them. You can, I think a lot of people make pesto with it. But all I'm going to do is go down here to the end here and just cut it off. And just this is so the plant will focus more on growing the garlic, the cloves, and the heads. What'd you call it? Heads? What would you call it?
Garlic. Well, we'll let a couple of them go to seed.
Yeah.
To where we can plant them again come fall. And they've worked out so far so good there. And maybe eventually we'll get to where we won't even have to buy garlic to plant.
Yeah.
We'll leave that in the description also.
Okay.
Video. And then if we can find it, we'll have the footage there of Carolyn dehydrating the other.
From last year.
From last year and show you. I'm going to set y'all up here and jump in and try to help her here.
Look over my hands that I've been weeding and planting.
We've been doing a lot. We've been putting up hay today. Oh, by the way, happy Friday. Hope everybody has a great day and an awesome weekend. Stay safe. Now, let's get to work cutting, Shug.
All right.
Of course, there's little Dixie. There, maybe you can see there. Set you down right here. Don't matter. About to fall. Carolyn did fall today.
Yeah.
Right off the bat this morning we was feeding.
That's nothing new. That's I fall a lot.
We're a graceful bunch.
Yeah. I'll put this right in the middle there.
Okay. I went ahead and put the water sprinkler out there. We'd planted some more beans and corn. The ground ain't got enough moisture in it for them to come up. I moved the dirt away a little bit ago, or the other day, and they had none sprouted there where it's so dry.
You put it all in there.
I don't know if it'd be too big or not, Shoot.
Yeah, it's quite a bit.
Which ones were you saving for to go to seed?
There's a couple over here.
I just don't want to touch the ones you had planted on.
These two.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll leave.
Yeah.
Leave a couple.
I think I'll walk around up to this side here. It wasn't quite as cold last night as it had been the past couple nights. One night it got down to 39 again.
It's in the 90s today.
Yeah. It was good hay weather today. Did we get them all, Shug?
I'm sure there's some we missed. You all might be able to see some we missed.
Point them out to us, folks. Now we was saving a couple down there. Well, there's a bushel basket full.
Yep. Put them up there.
We will. I'll get the camera down there. Let me just glance over and make sure I didn't miss any. If we did, I guess they was meant to go to seed.
Yep.
Oh, nope. We did. We missed one back there.
Oh.
That's
We'll
a little feller.
go.
Let it go. It escaped. Alrighty. Let me get you here. Show you. We could probably press it down in there and get some more in. So we got right at a bushel basket full. Alrighty, I'll do my best to try to find some of that footage, and I'll go ahead and tell you now. I hope you all have a blessed, safe weekend. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be seeing you Monday. Thank you all for watching.
Homeman's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeman's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeman's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeman's home.